Our next targets were not chosen by me, but by the data. Right in front of you stands the crypto market RSI Heatmap. I specifically set it to weekly and oversold mode. Look closely at the board. While most of the market is pumped, Cardano, ADA, and Optimism, OP, are currently crawling in the weak zone right at the bottom. Our job is not to chase the top, but to hunt the bottom. The RSI tells us it is cheap here. But do the charts say buy? Let's dive into the technical analysis of OP and ADA to confirm this opportunity. The heat map showed us that Cardano is weak, but a veteran soldier knows where others see weakness, we look for opportunity. When we open the weekly chart, everything becomes clear. The price is currently at 39 cents, sitting exactly on top of that historical beige box, 35 cents to 40 cents. This isn't just ordinary support. This is the launch pad that started the massive rally last time. Now let's go down to the engine room, the indicators. Look at the stock RSI at the very bottom. It is crawling at the lows and trying to lift its head. What does this mean? It means sellers are out of ammo, reversal is near. The weekly chart gives us the order to prepare, but don't rush in to take a sniper shot. We will now drop down to the 4-hour chart to find the perfect timing. We took our position on the weekly chart. Now we put the 4-hour chart under the microscope. Pay attention to those yellow lines you see. This is not a random drawing. This is proof that the bulls are defending the pink support box in the $0.37 to $0.38 range and painting a W. Double bottom formation there. Price is currently between two fires. The pink box below is our fortress, and the $0.43 box above is the enemy line. On the indicator side, stock RSI and MACD are giving recovery signals, meaning the W pattern wants to play out. The battle plan is simple. Take risk near the support box, pocket the profit at the upper box, $0.43. But wait, we need one last piece of data to see what will actually pull the price there. The liquidation heat map. The chart told us where we are going, and this map tells us why we must go there. Look carefully at that bright yellow strip at the top. There is millions of dollars worth of short liquidation accumulated exactly at the $0.43 level. For the market maker, this is money too sweet to leave on the table. They will pull the price there like a magnet. Operation summary for Cardano. Entry zone $0.37 to $0.38. Support box. Formation W. Double bottom, target $0.43, liquidation wall. The Cardano file is closed. Next up is the second oversold opportunity pointed out by our RSI map. Optimism, OP. Send its charts. Let's analyze it with the same discipline. The RSI map whispered that OP is dirt cheap. Now looking at the 3-day chart, we understand why. That black descending trend line, which has been hammering the price down for months, has finally been broken to the upside. This is the official document stating that bears have lost control. Look at the indicators. MACD, blue line, has crossed above the orange line and turned green, indicating momentum has shifted to positive. However, a small warning. Stock RSI is currently at the top, overbought zone. What does this mean? The price might pull back to give a little goodbye kiss. Retest to that black line it just broke. Our strategy will be to catch this pullback. We declared our freedom in the big picture. Now we are plotting our course on the 4-hour chart. Right in front of you is a flawless rising channel. Look at where the blue arrows are pointing. When the price touches the bottom of the channel, buyers step in. When it touches the top, sellers step in. This is not a coincidence, this is an algorithm. Look at our latest move. Price pinned the bottom band of the channel and that pink support box, $0.31, and shot up like a rocket. This was our sniper entry point. We are currently in the middle of the channel, and by the laws of physics, our direction is the upper band of the channel. But what price awaits us at the top? Instead of guessing from the chart, we will confirm it by looking at the market maker's ledger, the liquidation heat map. The chart told us direction up, but where is the target? The answer is hidden in the map again. Look at that blindingly bright yellow line at the top. Massive liquidity has accumulated exactly at the $0.38 level. The top of the channel technically aligns with this area as well. What does this mean? Market makers will drive the price up to $0.38 and grab the money there. OP, operation, summary, entry, channel bottom and support, $0.31 to $0.32. Catalyst, falling trend breakout, 3-day. Target, $0.38, liquidation wall. Alright soldiers, today we found the weakest looking ones with the RSI map and turned them into the strongest opportunities with technical analysis. We are fighting inside a W pattern on ADA and a rising channel on OP. No emotion, no guessing, just data. Don't forget to subscribe to take your place in the war room. I am Bahoretti, General out.